Alright, this is the McDonald's Chicken McNugget microwave test. This is a lukewarm chicken nugget. It's been sitting there probably as of probably about 9 o'clock. It was sitting there, so it's about 3 hours old. We're just gonna put it on the plate here, and we're gonna microwave it for probably about 30 seconds? 30 seconds? 30 seconds. I'm gonna see how it does. My prediction is that it's gonna get really soggy. Sam's prediction, it's gonna be what? It's gonna be kind of okay?
Yeah.
I hope so. I don't know if you can really see it. Here. The microwave is done. We have some cold fries here. We know those are bad. It's sizzling. There's steam. I don't know if you can see that. The color seems to have deepened. It's a deeper color at first glance. There appears to be, thank you, fork and knife, please. At a first glance, there seems to be a sheen on the surface. It appears to be grease. We don't know how crispy the nugget is still going to be. There appears to be some juice coming from it. Can my assistant now cut into the nugget, please? Can we get a cross section, perhaps, of the chicken nugget? All right, here I'm gonna.
It's very tough.
The crust is still firm. It's not soggy in the slightest. The meat on the inside appears to be pretty much unchanged, maybe a little bit more gray than normal. We're going to do a taste test now. It has congealed. The chicken is no longer breaking down in the mouth. When you bite into it, it takes the form of probably like well done pork chop. The crust here is gone soggy. The meat here is tough, dry, leather-like. I'm going to do another taste test on this bit to see if the thicker part of the nugget is any more palatable. It is not. It is dry. I'm putting that piece there. You don't have to see that. This has been the McDonald's Chicken McNugget taste test. 30 seconds in the microwave. Signing off. I am Dinky Dan.